In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and remove Copilot from the Windows 11 taskbar. If you want a cleaner taskbar or you simply do not use Copilot, the good news is that turning it off is very quick and easy. You do not need to install anything, and you do not need any advanced technical knowledge. Everything can be done directly from the Windows settings menu in just a few moments. To get started, open your Windows settings. There are a few ways to do this, but the easiest is usually to click the Start menu and select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look over to the left-hand side and choose Personalization. This section is where Windows lets you control the appearance and layout of different parts of your system, including your taskbar. After you are inside Personalization, click on Taskbar. This page contains all the main options related to the taskbar, including what icons appear and how certain features are displayed. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page, because the setting we need is located here. Next, find and click Other System Tray icons. Depending on your version of Windows 11, this area may contain extra controls for icons and background features that appear in the taskbar. Once you open it, look through the list until you find Copilot. When you see Copilot, simply turn the toggle off. As soon as you do that, Copilot will be disabled from the taskbar and the icon will disappear. You do not need to restart your computer, and the change usually happens immediately. And that's it. Copilot has now been removed from your Windows 11 taskbar. If you ever decide you want it back later, you can return to the same location in Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar, then Other System Tray icons, and turn Copilot back on. So this is a simple change that is easy to reverse at any time. One helpful tip is to stay on the taskbar settings page for a moment after making the change, because you may notice other icons or features you also want to hide or adjust. That can help you keep your desktop looking more organized and less cluttered. So again, the full path is Windows Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, Other System Tray icons, and then switch Copilot off. That is all you need to do to disable and remove Copilot from the Windows 11 taskbar.